Right, we're here in Treforys workers' settlement. This was the settlement, a planned settlement for the workers at the Gorseddau quarries, which are over there. So we're not all that far away from them, but we are on a hillside here. It's very wet, very exposed, and not really a very good place for a settlement, in my humble opinion. But this was built in the, I think, 1850s by the owners of the quarry, and was abandoned not very long afterwards. The buildings have been gradually falling apart ever since. Some have been demolished. It's a scheduled ancient monument, and it needs a little love and care, I think, to try and stop the collapsing of the buildings. So what we're doing here is recording all the buildings. We're using drone footage and written and drawn and photographic records to make a record of the quarries and to identify a record of the buildings and to identify areas that need repairing, because there's lots of slightly unstable walls here, so we've got to try and prioritise work on to preserve them.